দণ্ডবত।
মুই অন্তরা নন্দী
আর মুই অঙ্কিতা নন্দী
সবাইকে বিশ্বর শুভেচ্ছা জানাইলুম। আই হোপ আমি ঠিক বলেছি, লেটস হোপ আমরা ঠিক বলেছি। ওকে, তো আজকে আমরা অ্যাকচুয়ালি এসছি, ফার্স্ট অফ অল we would both like to thank the admins of the page, Raj Borman Dada and Proshanjit Dada, for making this happen. Okay, wow, we have few viewers. Hello everybody. Hi. Acha, সবচেয়ে আগে we have a big question. What language do you want us to talk in? আমি চারিটা ভাষা জানো, অসমীয়াত কথা পাতিব জানো, বাংলা বলতে জানি, হিন্দি আতি है हमें, and
we can also speak in English.
So please let us know what language you want us to speak in. We are very sorry. We don't know Coach Raj Bomshi. We're really sorry for that. But you have our 4 options. Please select to let us know what language you want us to talk in. Aru apnaluke amak ji bhasha address koribo yat comment sectionot. Ami chesta
out of the 4 languages that we know,
ami chesta korim hetu bhashat reply koribole. Wow, we have a few viewers here. Twins and lucky parents nohoy, ami twins nohoy. Amar naam Antara,
I am Ankita,
আর আমরা 3 years apart. আমি বড় ও ছোট। রতন রয়জি সিং রাজবংশী, রিয়েলি সরি, আমরা রাজবংশী ভাষাটা জানি না, বাট আমি অসমীয়া জানো, আমরা বাংলা জানি, হিন্দি আতি है और and we know English. So please let us know what
we
other
have
language.
people saying Bengali.
Okay, so
Bengali, Assamese, okay, it's
be comfortable in your own language. All right, so we'll keep switching our languages.
Yeah.
Okay, so without wasting much time, আমি আমার প্রথম গানটো গাবলে লৈছো। এটো গান, this is a wonderful, beautiful composition which is sung by Pratima Pandey Burwa ma'am, and we would both like to thank Raj Burman Dada and Proshanjit Dada for helping us through the entire process. Eto eta iman dhuniya, Rajbongshi songs are just so beautiful, and okay, let's first sing the song and then we're going to come back to the story. আশা কৰিছো আমি ভুল ভ্ৰান্তি কৰিলে আপোনালোকে মাফ কৰি দিব। হস্তির কন্যা মহামনের নারী, হস্তির কন্যা মহামনের নারী, মাথায় নিয়া দাম কলসিও, সখী হাতে সোনার ঝাড়ি, সখী হস্তির কন্যা রে, কাহানি কো দয়া নাই, মাহু তো লাগিয়া রে। হস্তির কন্যা মহামনের নারী, মাথায় নিয়া দাম কলসিও, সখী হাতে সোনার ঝাড়ি, সখী আয় হস্তির কন্যা রে, কাহানি কো দয়া নাই, মাহু তো লাগিয়া রে। বালু তিল পঙ্খির কান্দে, বালুতে পড়িয়া, বালু তিল পঙ্খির কান্দে, বালুতে পড়িয়া, আরে গৌরী পড়িয়া মাহুত কান্দে, সখী ঘর বাড়ি ছাড়িয়া, সখী ছাড়ির হাতের মাহুত রে, যেদিন মাহুত উতর যায় নারীর করছি তোমাদের ভালো লাগছে। ও মাম্মাম, আমার জ্যাঠাই জয়েন করে Datta, Mrs. Durga Datta. Thank you, Mamam, for joining this live session. Mamam joins all our live sessions, and unfortunately, skipped seeing her. But today, I think we just saw her. So, thank you, Mamam, for joining the live session. Acha, Vaishali Patil ji says, never heard. Just to correct you there, this was not an Assamese song. This was a Coach Rajbongshi song. And thank you. Okay, so just to tell all of you, আমরা কিছুদিন আগে সুইচিং টু বেঙ্গলি, আমরা কিছুদিন আগে বৈথা মারো রে গানটা আমাদের ফেসবুক পেজে পোস্ট করেছিলাম। দ্যাট ওয়াজ had asked us song, but we are very sorry, we hadn't done enough research that time, so we made a few mistakes, and thank you to all of you for pointing those out. Apnaloke je point out korise, it has only helped us improve. Thank you so much. And Raj Barman Dada, admin of this page, has helped us. You know, he has suggested more songs in Coach Rajbongshi. He has helped us with
Raj
the song.
Barman Dada is here as well. Hello.
Hi Dada. Dada has helped us. Proshenjit helped us with the diction, with the, you know, they've explained what the songs mean. Thank you so much. Ram Prasad ji is saying Bengali song nishchoy ekdom asche otate. Veena ji is saying sweet. Thank you. Shamarjit Paul ji says everything suits you both. Thank you. Very beautiful attire. Thank you. Talking about the attire, this is a 23-year-old, I think even this one, no? These are both 23-year-old Assam silks. We're so proud to be from Assam. I mean, look at this. I mean, this is what Assam produces. 23 years and it still looks so great. This belongs to Mama, and thank you. Yeah, all credits for getting us dressed goes to Mama. Satya Pratim Sonowal ji says, hi, good evening, hope you're doing well. Rajdeep Sharma ji says, khub sundar presentation, thank you so much. Happy Bishwa everybody who's watching us now. Coach Prashanjit, oh hello, awesome sister, says Prashanjit Dada. Thank you. This is happening because of you, so thanks to you. Rajesh Adhikar, Awaj tomader, thank you so much. She says you both look so pretty. Thank you. Ohomar, everyone looks pretty. Thank you. Kalyan ji says happy Vishwa. Gauri ji says please sing some Marathi song. Marathi song on a different live session. Today we are here to sing songs from Assam, predominantly Coach Rajbongshi songs. Ami basic na jan ekota gawa cheshta korbo, and if you think we are making mistakes, please point those out. Amaderke ogulo improve korte help korbe. So happy Vishwa. A lot of people saying happy Vishwa. Both of your smile is super. Thank you. Here's an extra smile for you. Bahut dhuniya lagise tumhar dojono. Thank you so much. Okay, so should we move on to the next song?
Yeah.
Gosh, it's so humid, no? Yeah. Acha, ami etia jitu gan gabole loisu. This is again Pratima ma'am's song. Acha, just before we move on to the next song, Hostir Koinna. It's a Pratima ma'am's song, and it's a wonderful song. Ami just galu. If you've missed that after the live session, you can go back and listen to that. Kintu ami etu etia je galu. We took reference from Kalpana Patwari ma'am's version, which is up on YouTube. She sang it so beautifully. Yes. So we heard that version a lot too. আচ্ছা, এতিয়া আমি যেটো গান গাবলৈ লৈছো, এটো গান আপোনালোকে সকলোৱে জানে, আৰু this is the song that we put out on our Facebook page, and we possibly made a few mistakes, but এতিয়া এখন আমরা জানি গানটার আসল মানেটা কি. It's a boatman song. Thank you Raj Barman and Prashanjit for explaining the song to us and for helping us with the diction and the pronunciations and everything. So here's the song. আশা করছি আপনারা ভালো পাবেন গানটা. Arpita Deji saying hello from Kolkata. Hi, hello Bengali viewers. Hello. Thank you for joining this live session. Okay. Okay. One. could see a lot of people sending the clap emoji. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Asha korchi apnara enjoy korlen. Hello girls, even though I don't understand the language, I'm enjoying. Thank you so much for joining this live session. And I personally feel music has no language, no barrier. So I mean, you joining this live session and saying you're enjoying this live session, I think proves it. No?
Yeah, of course. Hi from Tinsukia. Both sings excellently.
Thank you. Janene, moi ekdom horu thakute moi Tinsukia asilu.
I was born in Tinsukia.
Exactly. So yeah, every time someone says Tinsukia, I'm ekdom nostalgic hoi jao. Thank you, join korise. Thamma, very beautiful. Thank you Thamma, for joining. Share your experience about Boita Maro. Nandi sisters, Manendra Reji saying. Actually, oh right, amar he je prothom bihu gua eta video ami banaisilu hetu viral hoi goisile. Thankfully it reached 3 million hearts. We were so happy. Tetia we had been getting a lot of requests for Coach Rajbongshi song. আমি তেতিয়া ভাবিলো যে বৈঠা মাৰুটো আমি গাব পাৰো, and we had heard this song. We had actually heard Papon Das version of the song. আমি গানটো খুব ভাল পাওঁ, সেইটো কাৰণে we learned the song and we sort of like sang it as a part of our balcony concert আৰু আমি এটো মোৰ Facebook page-ত আপলোড কৰিছিলো. But since we weren't very aware of the Coach Rajbongshi culture per se, and we are very sorry for that. Marko abar koi asu ami basic research kora nasilo, hetu karone we made a few mistakes. We didn't know what the song meant. Amak pisote bahut mane our viewers had pointed out J2 Gan is for a boatman. They sing it while they row.
Yeah.
So that vibe has to be there. Je ami row kori gaya asu. So thank you to all the people who pointed those mistakes out and gave us a scope to improve. Aru মই আগতে বহুতবাৰ মেনশন কৰিছো আৰু এবাৰ কৰি আছো, ৰাজ দাদা প্ৰসেনজিৎ দাদা আমাক কিন্তু কোচ ৰাজবংশী গীত কেইটালৈ বহুত হেল্প কৰিছে। রাজ দাদা প্রসেনজিৎ দা আমাদেরকে এই কোচ রাজবংশী গানগুলো নিয়ে প্রচন্ড হেল্প করেছে আর করে যাচ্ছে। So yeah, we are really thankful. That's the story behind Boita Maro. And now the version that we sang now is not the version that we sang on the Facebook video. This is the version that Pratima ma'am has originally sung.
Yes.
So yes, that's the story. Thanks for asking. My kotha pati khub bhal pao. Usually people just ask me to sing. So once or twice when you all ask me to talk, it's fun. And my kotha pati khub bhal pao. Or Tai ekdom opposite.
Yeah.
Tai ekdom silent thake.
No, actually, this exposure to audience and everything is very new to me. This is so, and she's very experienced in all of this. So I'm learning from her. She's my teacher. She's my guru. She's teaching me ki aise baat karo. Tai ite iman bhal kotha koi ase. Otherwise, she's not this sweet to me. I'm just saying. Okay? No, I'm very sweet to you. Please.
Okay, fine. Take it. She's very sweet. Excellent, amazing voice. Wishes from Shillong. Oh, that's a wonderful place. Hope you're all doing safe and keeping indoors. Everybody, please let me know how everybody is doing back in Assam.
Assam is a green
zone.
area, yeah.
That's a nice thing to know. But please still stay, even though it's been declared a green zone.
Please stay indoors.
Ghor bhitor thakibo, ghor bhitor thakben, safe thakben, please. That's the only way. I mean, there is no running away from the virus. The only way we can prevent it from spreading is like, just like staying indoors. Please do that. Please do that. Thank you so much, sister, for coming live on Kamanta Productions, says Prashanjit Dada. It's our pleasure.
Thank you for inviting us.
Of course. Here, I'd like to say something. Janene mane, every time when people come up and request us to sing in other languages, like agote moi jeti ekdom horute live jao, I remember people used to come up on my live sessions and say, sing a Malayalam song, sing a Nepali song, and these are all languages that I do not know, but I used to love learning them. I used to make it a point to come back and on my next live session and sing a Malayalam song. So that only like expands our knowledge, I think.
Exactly.
This live session is, again, I mean, we have prepared Coach Rajbongshi songs specifically for this live session. So I think we learned.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
So thank you. Love from Dulia Jan. Wow. Thank you for joining this live session. So sweet voice. Thank you. Excellent voice too, sister, says Abhijit Datta. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Boria. Koise Deep Jyoti Dada. Acha, Rajbongshi coach, Dada. Okay. Moonmi Bordoloi ba is saying pretty sisters. Thank you. Hi. Arvita Deji says Antara. Oh, Koksun. Raman Agarwal ji says both sisters. Wonderful performance. Excellent performance. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you everybody. Okay. Now since apnaloke iman appreciate kori dise gan gabole mon goise mur aru eta etia. Vanita ji is saying you have beautiful voice. Thank you. Assamese song please, Deepa ji. Nichoy, Assamese song ekhon gao niki? Kundu gabasun? Kosun? Kundu gaba? ঠিক আছে আমার মোৰ হৰু ভন্টি জনী তাই এটা গীত গাব বুলি মানে নিজে she said she wants to sing that one particular song, so let's go. Okay, it already no acha, let's go. Acha, so we had put out our first balcony concert singing this song. So how many of you can guess ami kuntu gan gabola loisu? Make a guess while we start playing. Let's see how many of you can guess before we sing the song. Dulanman guide for all of you, and I saw one person guessing that it's full police. Just one. Ho sake apna loke suwa nai niki video to. If you have not watched it, you can go to my Facebook page and check it out. Tomar Facebook page to tumi share korisa. Oh, madam I share korisa video to. Please tar Facebook page to pabo. I go by the name ANTARANANDY, and
I go by the name ANKITANANDY.
Monat rakibo I no hoy ha bye. Bihu lagise hoy ne etia mane time really does fly. Bohag ma just ahile and it's already time for bohagi bidai. Time just flew like that. Bo Dunya, thank you so very much. Raman Raji says hi everybody who has joined us now. Hello, we've been live for some time, but apnaloke jodi miss korise yar agor portion to after this live session apnaloke please go sapo aru amak janabo what you think about this live session. We've been trying to like jump between languages, kokhono bangla bolchi, kokhono Assamese bolchi. Anuj Barman ji says lots of love from Bongaigaon. Wow,
lots of love from Pune to you. আমি কিন্তু অসম হসাকে মিস কৰি আছো এবাৰ বিহু
এক্স্যাক্টলি
কিন্তু থ্যাঙ্কস টু ইন্টারনেট digitalization যে আমি এনেকুৱা লাইভ সেশন বিলা কৰিব পাৰিছো and we are being able to interact with all our family. You're all family. We're being able to interact with our family members all the way from Pune, and we're sort of trying to keep the vibe alive. So thank you so much. Jaydeep ji saying bangla গান নিশ্চয়ই বাংলা গান গাইবো একদম গাইবো কোনটা গাইবো কিন্তু বাংলা গান কোনটা গাওয়া যায় all right okay we have a request for a Bengali song তো আমরা এখন কয়েক লাইন গেয়ে দিচ্ছি একটা বাংলা গানের which I'm sure most of you have heard, and if you know the song please ঘরে বসে গুনগুন করবেন আমাদের সাথে. তুমি একটু এরকম ভাবে দাঁড়াও আমার হাতটা লেগে যাচ্ছে. হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে. Yeah. মনে জমতে থাকে পড়ে যায় দূর বিপাকে পাকে চিন্তাতে তোর কাটছে প্রহর শান্তি নেই এই যন্ত্রণায় মন মাঝি রে বলা কথা মন মাঝি রে আয় ফিরে 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 আয় ফিরে
কোচ ৰাজবংশী গান এটা গাই দিয়ক ভণ্টি একদম গাই দিছো ইয়াৰ ইমান হিউমিডিটি বাপৰে আমাৰ সময় এতিয়া শেষ হ'বলৈ আহিছে সো থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ এভৰিবডি ফৰ জয়নিং কিবা আচ্ছা
wonderful thank
wonderful
you
awesome Rumi Datta ji saying thank you আমাক যে কোড গ'ল কমেন্টটো মই জাস্ট চাইছিলো এটো দুটাৰা নেকি বুলি সুধিছে নহয় এটো ইউকেলেলি বুলি কয় and it's not a guitar for the ones who are not aware it looks like a guitar it's smaller and it has nylon strings and four strings আমি দুজনিটো হৰু হৰু ন অলপ হৰু হৰু এটো কাৰণে এটো ইনস্ট্ৰুমেন্ট অলপ আমাৰ কাৰণে কমফৰ্টেবল হয় আচ্ছা বলাসম কোনটো গাইছো আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ এটো গান আমি সকলোৱে জানো আমরা সবাই গানটা জানি প্লিজ বাড়িতে বসে গাইবেন আমাদের সাথে ঘৰত বহি গাব কিন্তু গানটো আমাৰ লগত লেটস গো
ভালো কইরা বাজাও গো তারা সুন্দরী কমলা নাচে ভালো কইরা বাজাও গো তারা সুন্দরী কমলা নাচে সুন্দরী কমলা
everybody. Both looking pretty as always. Thank you so much. I can see a lot of people have joined just now. Kintu amar etia etu live session শেষ কৰাৰ সময় হৈ গল. But thank you so much for joining this. Rajbongshi song বুলি কৈছে বিকাশ Rajbongshi ji. এটো আমি just এটা Rajbongshi গান শেষ কৰিলো. Please আপনি যদি মিস করে থাকেন প্লিজ after the live session শুনে নেবেন আর আমাদেরকে জানাবেন কেমন লাগলো. Mintu ji saying well done. Coach Raj Burman dada saying awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. খুব মিষ্টি লাগছে দুজনকে. Thank you. Okay, now it's time for us to say goodbye. But যারা এক্ষুনি জয়েন করেছেন don't be disheartened. We are coming live at 7:30. 7 or 7:30? 7. Okay. Yeah. We are coming live at 7 on the Facebook page of Sentinel. So আমাক আপোনালোকে তাত চাব পাৰিব ওখানে আমাদেরকে catch us live. Catch us live at 7 p.m. if you've missed this live session.
And to follow us, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. She goes by the name Antara Nandi, ANTARANANDY, and I go by the name Ankita Nandi, ANKITANANDY. So basically you can follow us on all social media platforms possible.
Yes, and do watch our videos. Aru amak jonabo what you think about our videos, because and if you see any mistakes, point it out. It only helps us improve. I wish you all a very happy Bishua. Once again, thank you so much Rajda Proshinjita for making this happen. We thoroughly enjoyed this live session. Aru ami Aru Rajbongshi songs upload korim, and it's a dream, my dream, her dream, je ami Rajbongshi culture took the songs. They're so beautiful. এই গান কেইটা national levelত লৈ যাব খুজু, and আমি গম পাও যে there are million Rajbongshi people out there. So it's my request je
next time we upload any Rajbongshi song, at least 1 million.
Can we just try reaching 1 million people?
Yeah.
Do make that happen. Aru amak videos sabo and give us love. Our only motive at uploading songs and videos is that এটা আমরা সবাই একটা খুব tough সময় দিয়ে যাচ্ছি, and all we want to do is bring smiles on people's faces. We are just trying to spread positivity by singing, standing on our balcony. Asha korchi that you will all keep your support on and keep watching our videos and keep giving us love. And this is me, Antara Nandi,
And I am Ankita Nandi,
signing out. Catch us live at 7 p.m. on the Facebook page of Sentinel. Thank you so much for making this happen. Happy Bishua.
Bye-bye.